Hey friends, and welcome back to This Week in Rideshare and Food Delivery News. Here are this week's headlines. Washington lawmakers from both parties insist they will not leave Washington for the holidays until they get a coronavirus package deal. Now, what inspired this? Unemployed Americans, struggling businesses? No. Federal agencies are running out of money, so this finally forced Congress to prevent a government shutdown. On the bright side, it looks like we'll be seeing a coronavirus package sooner than later. This past week, Uber implemented the California driver benefits fee. Now, I ordered from Uber Eats yesterday and I noticed the fee myself. My fee was 99 cents. I think that changes based on the amount of money you spend or where you might live. I'm not exactly sure. So the fee is supposed to help fund the new benefits offered to drivers via Prop 22. Didn't know that that's how they were going to pay for it. And let me repeat that again. Uber is collecting this fee to fund the benefits promised to workers with the passing of Prop 22. Now, these benefits include a healthcare stipend to cover the cost of insurance, of their insurance plan, additional insurance coverage in case they become injured in an accident, earnings guarantee to ensure that they make at least 120% of the minimum wage for their active time, among others. So this is what some customers had to say. In another episode of what I like to call California is not playing with Uber, California regulators have fined Uber $59 million over its repeated refusal to hand over detailed data from sexual assault cases. Now, state regulators have threatened to pull their license if they don't comply with the order and pay the fine. This past Monday, an administrative law judge ruled that Uber must pay the fine within 30 days and turn over the data, or the CPUC can revoke Uber's license to operate within California. Last December, if you guys don't remember, Uber issued a report that said that they had over 3,045 sexual assault cases in 2018. And according to the businessinsider.com, that's an average of more than 8 sexual assaults per day. So Joe Biden nominated former Democratic presidential candidate Pete Buttigieg as his transportation secretary. And should his nomination make it through, what does that mean for the future of rideshare? For those that didn't know, the former mayor supported driver protests last year and was vocal about how he thought that Uber and Lyft drivers should be allowed to unionize and be classified as employees. And now for what would you do? I saw this sign. It's a real sign that someone posted on Twitter. Okay, so let's play a game. Caption this for me. Here are my best ones. Coworkers, no ma'am, this is your job, not mine. Why would I tip when I didn't order and I'm not gonna eat the food? Is this a joke? Am I being punked? I don't have time for this foolishness. Do you have order 6544? Coworkers, no, this is your actual job. I can log off whenever I want to. Huh? They really don't pay me enough for this. Those are the best ones I could come up with. Let me hear yours. And as always, I'm wishing you good health. I hope you have a happy holiday. See you next week. Bye.